I'm Dr. Jessica Black, and I'm glad you're here to learn more about safety, because you're important. Now, I think it's best if you have a safe adult to watch all these videos with you. And it may be extra important if you have an adult watch this video on safety and the next one on trust. And here's why. Many kids who have a family member with a substance use disorder, they don't want to rock the boat or cause more problems in their family. And many kids that love someone with an addiction often feel sad or angry. And these things can get in the way of knowing if you're safe, and that matters. Here are some signs that someone may not be a safe person to be around. First, if they ask you to keep secrets, even a secret that seems silly, like they allow you to do something you're not normally allowed to do, then that could be a sign that the person isn't safe. Tell a grown-up who you trust right away that someone is asking you to keep secrets. 2, if someone, even if it's your parent, hurts you physically, like they hit you or punch you, especially if you were in pain afterward or if there are any marks or bruises, then make sure you tell another grown-up right away. 3, if another adult or even another kid tickles you or wrestles with you or, I don't know, asks you to touch them or they touch you in any way that makes you feel funny or uncomfortable, then they may not be a safe person. And it is okay to say no or stop. You are not a bad kid if you say no or stop. It is your body. And tell a grown-up who you trust as soon as you can that this person made you feel uncomfortable. Another sign, a 4th sign that someone may not be safe, is if they very often say pretty mean and very hurtful things to you. Then talk to another grown-up about it, even if the person who is saying very mean things to you is an adult and they tell you not to tell anyone. Okay, so someone may not be safe to be around if they ask you to keep secrets, if they cause you physical pain, if they touch you or play with you in a way that makes you feel uncomfortable, or if they very often say pretty mean things to you. There are people who care about you, so tell one of them right away. Now, talking to an adult about signs that someone may not be safe is important. Most important, though, is that you're safe in the moment. So if things are ever so bad that you feel unsafe in the moment, meaning that someone is hurting you, or you're afraid that someone's going to hurt you very soon, then please get help right away. Here's what you do. If you can, go to a safe place. Then call 911, or find someone who can call 911 for you. Then, if you can, call a safe adult. Now, keep in mind, it is not your job to know if a situation is bad enough to call for help. That's an adult's job. So if you're ever unsure if the situation is bad enough, or you're unsure if you're safe, then please call 911. A safe adult will not be mad at you for calling, and they can help figure out if you're in danger. Remember, you are important, and there are trusting adults who care very much about you, even if it doesn't always feel that way. In the next video, we'll talk about trust. In the meantime, remember, your loved one's addiction is not your fault. You are not alone. There are many other kids that have similar problems in their families. And you already have everything inside of you that you need to build a more peaceful and happy future.